sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. I'm super excited to share with you a design team project from Scrapdiva Designs using the oven mini album. What I have created here is an oven recipe box, and I'm going to share with you the project that I created, and I am going to have another video with a tutorial on how to put this together. Of course, I had to use the fabulous oven mini album die for this project, and it comes with so many fabulous dies to create this. It has the word recipes, it has the burners and switches and handles and trim, and the recipe card to create this. This was wonderful. I also used the Peppermint words, and this was perfect for using the word sweet wishes, because my intention is to put cookie recipes in this. And the other one that I used that was fabulous and really coordinated with this is the baker shaker plates, and you get the rolling pin, the chef's hat, the oven mitt, and the charcuterie board in these plate sets. You can find these at Scrapdiva Designs. This is Erica's website right here, www.scrapdivadesigns.com. Please use Carol 10 at checkout for 10% off your order. And check out all the stuff that Scrapdiva Designs has for your holiday crafting. Going to have more for you in the next few days. So let me go ahead and share this project with you. And as you can see here, it is a box. This box holds 24 recipes. I know it probably looks like it holds more, and it can. It depends on you. For me, it's going to be 24 recipes because my recipes are usually long with directions and things like that. So here you can see I have a little shaker box here, and in this particular one I put the shaker bits in here. You can see right here is the little rolling pin, and I've got silver oven mitts, and I've got blue chef's hats, and a coordinating charcuterie board to this paper. I have finished this paper pad, by the way, this blue paper pad. So pretty. So I'll be sharing my Happy Mail with this pretty soon with the whole set. You can see here I put the sweet wishes in white, and I have a little die from my stash here. This is a little chef snowman, and he's got a little cake up here, and I had these little oven mitts in my stash, and I put a little poinsettia with greenery. I have a tutorial for these poinsettias in my videos here. And then I decorated the oven top burners and the switches with the blue glitter cardstock on here. Isn't that beautiful? And I'll just turn it around so you can see it. I'm going to teach you how to make this box. I'm going to teach you how to make the recipe cards. So let's go ahead and look at the recipe cards. And we're going to pull them out here because I'm going to show them all to you. All right. So I made my gingerbread boys to coordinate with this paper. And I made 12 gingerbread boys. This is a die from my stash. This right here comes in the die set, the oven mini album. It has the word recipes, so every card on the front has recipes, so it all coordinates together. And I just put little diamond dots on the top here, and it opens like this, and there are 12 cards. It will hold 24 recipes, and my intention is to write, like, say for instance, chocolate chip cookies, list the ingredients, and then on the inside put the directions for baking, the time, the amount of cookies it makes, where I might have gotten the recipe from, because this is pretty much a family heirloom. I don't know about you, we're getting together on Sunday to make recipes, and there are recipes that I have used for cookies my entire life that I just want to pass down to my family. So my intentions is to fill this all up. And so on the back, I have a little like cookie here to decorate. And on this one, I would put Russian tea cakes, because I make those every year, and list the ingredients, and then flip this up on this side and put the directions and things inside there. If you write small, or you have small recipes, you might be able to put 3 recipes here. So you would have 6 recipes per card if your recipes are small. It's up to you. So I'm going to show you the different ones that I created. They all coordinate. I used the same paper from the paper pad. Here's a little candy cane on this one. They all have blue. There's another little gingerbread. Those are from my stash. And there's a cookie there. And there's a candy cane. Christmas tree on the back on that one. And I decorated with diamond dots. See, these are all decorated with diamond dots. I love using diamond dots on my projects. Angie got me started with that. Thanks, Angie. She sent me some, and I'm hooked on them now. All right, and we're almost done with this one. There's that little gingerbread boy again. Look at, he's got a smile on his face. That's one of the fun books that I like to read to my granddaughter, is The Gingerbread Boy. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. And that just fits in here. And it's nice, and these are nice and thick, so that if you're using them, they're not going to get ruined. All right, let me go ahead and show you my pink one. I had to make a pink one. I know in the last video I did not make a pink project, but this one I did. You know the pink is for me. And there I have a little chef snowman here with his little cake. All right, and then I'll show you these recipe cards. And I have this gingerbread man, but I used the gingerbread color on him for these recipe cards. And these came from Angie. She had made me some of these. I had just enough to do the pink set, as I don't have this die. All right, and there's this one. And for this set, I used a pink foil type of cardstock. Very cute. I like them cookies on the back. I wish I had that die for the rest of these, but I don't. But it's on the way. Because I love this project so much. And you really don't have to just do this for recipes. You could, I've got one here, they're stuck together, I think. No, okay. You could actually put photos on this with your recipes. Be a beautiful keepsake. Here. And the last one in this set. And this paper collection is Silent Night from Recollection. It might have been last year's from Michael's. It's a really pretty set. It made a nice recipe box. And then the last one I'm going to show you is the one that I have the tutorial on. And you can see this is the traditional colors. And there inside you can see I have red chef's hat, green oven mitts white rolling pins and gold. Oh, it's gold oven mitts and green charcuterie boards. That's what it is. And I put a little gingerbread man on this. And I'll show you these recipe cards. And for this one, I went between red and green. Okay, so this one has a green recipes. This one has red. And I'll flip through them fast. I don't want to make this video too long because it's just a project share. Okay. This is some Echo Park paper. Really pretty. And I'm going to teach you how to make the recipe cards and the box so that you can make one of these for yourself. And this is the last one. So I'd like to thank you all for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this project. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, I'm going to leave links to the dies that I used to create this project from Scrapdiva Designs. So I hope everyone is having a fun holiday season. I appreciate you stopping by and joining me today. So until next time, friends, happy crafting. Bye-bye.